Hello there everyone, welcome back guys. So in this video guys, I will be showing how to remove and respray the windscreen wiper shoulder. It's a pretty straightforward process. All you need is a spanner to undo 2 bolts, and as well you might need a special tool to remove the wiper shoulder because they get stuck in there, and it's a bit safer to remove them if you have that special tool. Because of the weathering and the metal corrosion, they get pretty much glued in there, and this tool makes life a lot easier. But what you also want to make sure before you disassemble them is to mark the wiper blades where they were before, just to make sure that when you put them back on, they're at the exact same position. So before respraying, I'm using a 3000 grit sandpaper, and I'm going to work it in the surface. I'm going to respray for the maximum bondage of the paint. And also, just to make sure there's nothing left behind, I'm using a surface prep to clean down the surface that I'm going to respray, so it's all clean, and it will allow the paint to bond even better. So I'm going to be applying 4 coats of this black satin paint from Genolite. It's a multi-surface paint and it is suitable for metal surfaces as well. So as I said before, I'm going to apply 4 coats, and then I'm just going to leave it overnight, and which is pretty much more than enough for it to dry. And then we're going to put the wiper shoulders back onto the car. Also, I put a little bit of foam into the thread so that no paint would get there, because it would make the reassembly more difficult and it just might mess up the thread. But the whole respray process is pretty straightforward. You spray the paint about 15 centimeters away. Make sure you don't over apply it. Wait about 15 minutes in between each coat. I waited about 40, and yeah, just leave it overnight, and then the wiper blades shoulders would be pretty much 12 hours later dry to the touch. And now I'm going to put the wiper blade shoulders back on with the wiper blades themselves. I'm going to put a little bit of WD-40 onto the thread so it's nicely lubricated. However, where I did make a mistake is I didn't put one of the wiper blades in the correct position, which is this driver's side one. As you can see, it's pretty much hitting the body panel of the car, and I had to reassemble it. And this is the final result, guys, and I have reassembled it the correct way and it worked perfectly fine. So this is pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video.